Hey y'all, Miranda here with another 360 hike in North Carolina. Today I'm going to show you Moore Cove Falls. Moore Cove Falls is located in Pisgah National Forest near Brevard, North Carolina. There's a small parking area by a stone bridge along with an information board about the area, so that's how you know you're in the right place. And here are a few quick tips. This video was filmed in 5.6K resolution, so you may need to adjust your streaming settings on YouTube, especially if the video quality looks a little distorted or pixelated. And remember, you can explore the screen in all directions on your smartphone, computer, or tablet. So let's start exploring. This is a pretty popular spot, so I'd recommend getting there on a weekday or earlier on weekends, especially summer days. This is a pretty easy 3/4 of a mile hike each way, so 1.5 miles round trip. There are lots of bridges and the trail's not too steep, so this is great for families, especially with younger children. I actually hiked here today with my friend and her 2 daughters who are 4 and 8. Just 1 mile south of here is Looking Glass Falls, so I would plan on visiting that waterfall next. Dogs are also allowed on this trail, but must be kept on a leash. And when you get to the falls, there are several amazing views. Moore Cove Falls is about 50 feet high and one of the few waterfalls that you can walk behind. So you can safely view the falls from this platform to the right. But it is also safe to walk along the left side of the platform and walk behind the falls. Of course, be very mindful with your steps because this area is pretty wet and slippery. Feel free to scroll around and explore this cave in 360. And it's best to visit these falls after a good rain. If it hasn't rained for a while before you visit this trail, you might only see a little trickle. Either way, it's still a really cool spot to visit for the whole family. And this trail is out and back, so you'll hike back to the parking lot the same way you came, that 3/4 of a mile trail. Again, my name's Miranda. Thanks so much for joining me on another 360 hike. Please subscribe to my channel for more hikes as well as yoga and meditation videos filmed here in Western North Carolina. See you next time. Namaste and have a great day.